if the screen is flickering of your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now as you can see, currently we are not facing this issue, but if you are facing this issue, first of all, just perform a force restart on your iPhone. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now after you've done that, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is fixed, then go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have received any software update or not. Once you receive a software update, just update the software of your iPhone, as this can be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the flickering issue of the screen on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.